Alright guys, so we're about to go test this here new camera out, and I'm going to run it around, see what different kind of picture we're getting, video. Cameraman Phil and me, we're going to run to Walmart, get a little zoom on the fish tank. Forgive me for my bouncy camera work right here. Just got it out the box, checking it out. So we'll head outside. You ready to go, cameraman?
Yep.
Okay, we're heading to Walmart, folks. We're gonna keep on recording so we can see the differences. I do need to get my hat. You want to take this for a second? All right. Lock up the door.
Huh?
You
Oh, I didn't know.
Hey, cool. Bye-bye. Hey. So yeah, we're outside now. There's the difference from the inside to the outside. It's set on auto. It's my car, my scooter. I'm just trying to give a test, just on auto, the way it comes from the factory. It is a little hard to see the viewfinder out here in the bright light. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump in the car and then head on down to Walmart, folks. All right, folks. So this is another different lighting environment. I'm gonna go inside and have yet another. So walking up to Walmart on our little trip. Got to pick up a couple of things. Mr. Phil got to do. Mr. Phil got to get. Mr. Phil's got to get the money order to pay his rent. So. Look inside. Had it. Time looks pretty good on here. You find it. I don't think we need the one cart, do we? Huh? Gonna get your money order first, too?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this over there.
I take the cart.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, in this environment, lighting environment, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Try not to go too fast.
I want to go pay money.
We're here for Mr. Phil. This, like I said, is on auto. I haven't made any adjustments to it. In the viewfinder, what I can see, it looks pretty good. In my house, it looks a little bit yellowish. Now, well, yeah, that's our little comparison, folks. And try to zoom real quick. Really get down there. Yeah, so thanks for looking in at our little review of this test. And please like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, toodaloo, toodaloo.